Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey is the ribs and the side collab. It's my collab. Kind of teamed up with Josh and Babe on this. I'm behind, I'm shooting it today, so I gotta get it out. So today we're going to do a beef rib, a short rib, but I got the bone, the whole bone. I didn't cut it down. I got a whole bone. It's about that long, it's about that thick. And that's what we're gonna shoot today. And our side's gonna be a chipotle Boursin cheese mashed potato. And we're gonna do a little something different with a glaze and a sauce. We're gonna do a dip glaze with blueberries. It's gonna be a wonderful cook. Let's get it on. Cue the intro. Alright guys, we're taking the silver skin off this thing. I got it mostly off. Just taking your knife. I got a nice blade knife here. Put it along the thing there. Like so. Comes off. I have to clean it up a little bit. This is what you end up with. Look at that delicious marbling in this long bone short rib we got here. We're seasoning her up. Our ingredients for today are as follows. 1 short rib. He is a big short rib. Look at the marbling in that boy. Long bone, not cut down. So that's what we're going to use. He is a total of 2 pounds, 2.2 actually. Big short rib. Yukon Gold potatoes. We got a local rub we're going to use today, Fat Ferg's. He's a local here in Lincoln. So we're going to use that Fat Ferg's all-purpose rub today. As a binder, we're going to use horseradish. For our mashed potatoes, we got some Boursin cheese back here. I got it off-brand. I couldn't find the Boursin. It's the same thing. It's a garlic and herb spreadable cheese. So that'll be going in there with our leftover chipotle salsa from our wings. A little bit of that in there. And some blueberries that we're going to put into the demi glaze. So usually a demi glaze consists of half Espagnole sauce, which is a brother sauce, and half beef stock, and then it's reduced down. We don't have time to do that today, so we're going to cheat. We're going to use a mix. We will go through the Espagnole sauce, and we will make the demi glaze sauce. I got that on for later this spring. It is the brother sauce, and we will go through that. But that takes time, and it's going to take a couple days. I don't got that today. So what we're going to use is a mix. And what I'm going to do is add some extra water to this and put the blueberries in there and let them melt together. And that's how we're going to start our cook today, guys. Ribs in a side, cooking with Corey style. Alright, let's get this beautiful rib seasoned up. This beautiful beef short rib that's not cut down. Plate rib, whatever you want to call it. So here we go. Creamy horseradish mustard. Get her all over there. Sides. So you get all your sides. Obviously, I got impeccably clean hands here. And this horseradish is about gone, so this will be last I use of it. So the other side, I did take the membrane off, obviously. So that little bath, I think you're gonna get a lot of flavor from this side of the beef rib, but we'll get it covered. Alright, you get your hands over here and over here. Got a little bit left, so sides there. Alright, wonderful. I've not used over horseradish, so horseradish is about done dealing. Our Fat Ferg's here. Local Lincoln product. So we're gonna Give our rib a nice little bath in the fat ferns. And I'm going to go around, get her all done. I'm going to take her out to the smoker. We'll get started on potatoes next. Alright guys, we got our longbone short rib out here on the Traeger. It's a weirdly cold day here in Lincoln, Nebraska. So I got her set at 300, hopefully she's set around 275. We'll back check on her, we'll get in on her size next. Alright guys, here we got our Yukon Golds that I have peeled. In the water we got salt, we got a little bit of pepper, and we got some rough chopped garlic. We will boil those up. Gonna add some chipotle, we'll add our boursin, maybe a little milk. Be the best potatoes you ever had. Best mashed potatoes you ever had. Hashtag ribs and a side. Cooking with Corey version. Alright, here we got our delicious blueberries in 3 cups of water. I'm gonna turn these on and let those blueberries start getting soft, and then we'll add our demi-glaze mix into there and reduce it down, and then we'll have blueberry demi-glaze for our delicious horseradish rubbed longbone short rib. Alright guys, we can get on to the Boursin chipotle mash, which will be our side dish. So here we go. We got some delicious chipotle salsa left over from our wing video. We don't need a lot of this because the Boursin's, you want the Boursin to be the star here. A little bit of salt. And here we go. Our Boursin cheese. Garlic herb cheese. 1 package all the way in there. And just smash it. Get it all in there. I'm not exactly looking for a mashed potato here, I'm more looking for a smash. So if you got chunks, hold it, live with it. That's what it is right now. If I wanted mashed, I would have put it in my KitchenAid. I'm taking something right down to it. You get down the nooks and crannies. Alright guys, there you got it. Boursin cheese. Garlic herb cheese, you gotta try it. It's straight up, it's great. It's excellent in mashed potatoes, smashed potatoes. Add a little chipotle in it. The garlic we had in there when we were boiling it. There's our side. It's delicious. I'm gonna add a little milk in here to loosen these up just a little bit. It's a little tight, so there we go. Alright guys, we're back to our blueberry deli. Yeah, we got our blueberries, and I did the mix and all that. Like I said, we will walk you through espanol and beef stock to make your own demi-glaze. But right now, we're cheating. We're using a mix. And then I'm gonna get in there, potato masher. What we're gonna do is mash this a little bit to get those flavors rolling through. Our beef short rib's about done out there. So it won't be long. We'll be plating this. Ribs and a side. Cooking with Corey style. Hey guys, our sauce is getting close. As you can see, we're getting some good bubbles that are attached. It means we're reducing well. Be long. The sauce will be ready. The beef rib is out on the Traeger. He's really close. We'll be back. Alright guys, let's get ready to pull it. He is ready to go. Coming around 201, probing like butter. So we're going to take them off here shortly. We're going to dress them up. That's going to be our rib and a side, guys. Alright guys, this plate our dynamic rib and a side video we got going on here. We are going to start with our chipotle Boursin mash. We are going to add some grilled asparagus. We are going to add a little bit of our sauce. This is our blueberry demi-glace. Let's add just a little bit there, just to get the party going here. And then, the star of our show, long boy short rib right there. And then we will give him his due with some sauce. Our blueberry demi-glace sauce, which looks outstanding, I might add. And to brighten the flavors up, we are going to do a little bit of orange zest. And we're going to just do that all over the place there. That will brighten the flavors. Citrus always brightens flavors. Vinegar brightens flavors. You don't want to get the white. You want to just be getting right through the skin there. There you guys got it. There's our ribs and a side. We got a long boy short rib. We got chipotle Boursin mashed potatoes. We got some grilled asparagus. And for our sauce, we got a blueberry demi-glace. Like I said, later on we will go through and we will make our own demi-glace. We cheated a little bit here, but there you guys got it. Outro time.